Hi, I'm Ross, technician and product tester at Grizzly Tools. Today we're going to look at our petrol brush cutter, the MTS30AC. I'll get it out of the box for you, I'll assemble it, and I'll look at some of the features and benefits. So these are the items that will be in your box. We have, of course, the manual, some tools for assembly and maintenance. We have the shield, a handle. We have a 2-stroke 30cc auto choke petrol engine. We have a thick brush cutter, bump feed line spool, and the bottom half of the main unit. Shield assembly. Your shield comes in 2 parts. Take the smaller part. You'll see that on yours you'll have 3 screws already embedded. I've taken 2 out so far. I'm going to take the 3rd one out now. Then attach the top part of your shield and reinsert your screws. There we go. And of course you can use the Allen key provided to tighten those up. We're now going to fit the shield to this, which is the lower part of the main unit. To do that, we need to remove this split pin here, this nut, and the collar here. The nut, by the way, is left-hand threaded. Once you've got those off, you remove these 3 screws. So as you can see, I've now removed those components. I've removed the split pin, the nut, the 2 parts of the collar, and the 3 screws. I'm now going to attach the shield to the bottom part of the main unit like so, and then reinsert the screws. And of course we have included the correct tool for you to do that. So now the shield is on, I'm going to show you how to attach our thick brush cutter. So you take the bottom part of the collar and insert first of all, and then add the brush cutter itself. It slots into place. You'll see on the top part of the collar there's 2 little lugs and they fall into place. You should be able to hear them. They went straight in there. And then put the nut back on. Remember that it is left-hand thread, so we'll get that in there. Obviously tighten it up and add your split pin. Okay, as you can see, I've removed the brush cutter now so that I can show you how to attach this bump feed line spool. So take the bigger part of the collar. You'll see that this part of the collar has some half moon cutouts. Make sure that they line up with the half moon cutouts on the bottom. Take your Allen key and pass it through those half moon cutouts to lock it off. And then it's as simple as just screwing in your bump feed line spool. And remember that it's left-hand thread. As soon as it's nice and tight, don't forget to take out your Allen key. Handle assembly. The first thing to do is take out the bolts that are on this bracket on the main part of the unit, and also the bolt that's on this part of the handle. Then get your trigger. Make sure it's aiming this way, and we're going to line up the holes in the top of the trigger with the holes on your handle and push until they're completely lined up. You'll see that one side has a hexagonal mold on the trigger. That is for your nut. Let's put that in there and then put the bolt in on the other side. And of course we have an Allen key to tighten that up. And now that we have tightened the trigger to the handle, we need to attach the handle itself to the main unit. So we'll take the top off the bracket. We'll put the handle on roughly halfway, pop the bracket back on, and use your Allen key to tighten up your bolts. And we have a couple of cable ties included just to keep your cable out of the way. So I'll do one up just here. There we go. And the other one just here. So to put the 2 halves together, it's very simple. Simply push them in. You'll see we have a spring-loaded catch here that obviously you need to get lined up with the hole here, and then we have a locking off mechanism, and it's as simple as that. Then take your harness and attach the harness here. There we go, and the harness goes across your shoulder. So we've now completed the assembly. We have our powerful 2-stroke 30cc engine. It's comfortable to use, well balanced, with an ergonomic handle. This is our MTS30AC. Don't forget, you have complete peace of mind with Grizzly's 3-year guarantee on this and all of our other products.